Okay, you guys, this is another episode of Don't Sleep on the Slay with Diamond Allure, okay? So today, I have on a brand new D by Do Beauty lace front wig. This is a 22-inch water wave 5x5 HD closure. As you can see, you can't even see the lace. It's melted. It's gone. Poof. Okay? Then we got, for the look, check out the Slayy. Okay, I used the Ultimate Diamond Allure palette. And I went in with this black first in the corners. Then I went in with this red. I blended it with this orange. I blended it out at the top with the orange. Then I went into the Ultimate Ariel C palette. And I went into Pearl Blush. And then I went into Starfish Serenade. Then after that, I went back into the Diamond Allure palette. And I went into this shimmer light pink right here. And I just blended the shimmer in between the pink and the red to give that flawless blend. As you can see, it's flawless blend. Don't sleep on the Slayy, y'all. See you next time.